morning, grade 3s. It's Friday, the 12th of June. Today we're still doing some fractions work. I'm going to discuss activity 71 that's in your books with you today. Okay, so activity 71 says that you have to decide which of these fractions in your books, and there's more of these in your book, which one is bigger, and you have to use these signs, this, or this. But now I've taught you that this sign here is like a mouth, and the mouth always eats the biggest burger or the biggest amount of food. I mean, if you get a burger that's small, and you see someone else with a burger that's big, you're going to want to eat the bigger burger. So remember, the mouth always eats the bigger burger. So let's take a look at some of our questions here. We have a half, and we have a circle that's been divided into 8 pieces. Okay, and we have to say which one's bigger. It can be quite confusing. What I like to do is I like to see which parts have been shaded and which parts have been missed. So as you can see, there's 2 that have been shaded here that sits on the outside and 2 that have been left blank. Now imagine that those 2 hadn't been shaded, and to make up for it, you just color those in. See, it's the same as a half. So actually it would be equal. There's no mouth there. They are the same size. Okay. Let's move on to E. We have another circle that's been divided into 8 parts, and another one that's been divided into quarters. Remember yesterday's lesson. Okay, so let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 8s that have been colored in here. So imagine that this one's been colored, that one and that one has been colored, and this one hasn't. Imagine that. Okay. Right, and then see, would this be bigger than that? As you can see, this one ends here, and this one ends here. So this one's got just that little bit extra bit of pizza. All right. Okay, so which one is bigger when you want to decide? You will say this one's bigger. This mouth is going to eat this pizza because there's more here, as you can see. This piece is missing. So this piece is bigger. Okay, so let's move on to F. Okay, we've got a circle that's been divided into 6 pieces here, and a circle that's been divided into 3 pieces here. Again, remember yesterday's lesson. So we've got 1, 2, 3 parts that have been colored in, and here 2 parts that have been colored in. Just like before, you can just rearrange which parts have been colored into to get your eye in. So I would like to just color that one in place of that one, and that one out, and this one out, just to get my eye in. And I imagine that actually all the pieces are together. So as you can see, that would be 1/2 there that's been colored in. And this one, more than 1/2 has been colored in. So which one would be the biggest pizza? It would be this one. The mouth would eat this one because there's more here than there is there. There's 2/3 here, which is greater than 1/2, or greater than 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, grade 3s, I hope that helps you. Good luck.